How to generate images with ChatGPT. Now come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, and then what you want to do is come and click on Customize ChatGPT. Scroll all the way down and go to Advanced. Make sure this one is toggled on. This is DALL-E. DALL-E is the image generation tool integrated with ChatGPT that helps you create these images. Now, once that's turned on, what you want to do, if I click on View Tools, I can see here, I can create a picture using DALL-E. So click this. Now, enter a prompt. You want to be as detailed as possible. For example, this is a prompt I'm going to give it. So I wanted to create an image of a futuristic cityscape at night, and I've given it a style. Okay, so give it what you want it to do. Make sure you give it a style, and then what things you want to feature in this picture. Be as detailed as possible. Now, if I come and click here to prompt ChatGPT, now we're just going to wait for this to be done. Let's see what ChatGPT creates for us. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. I did a pretty good job on what I gave it. So you see, guys, be as detailed as possible. And of course, you can come here and, edit this as well. Go ahead and go back and forth, and you can edit this further. And if you want, you can just come here and click on this button right here to download this image. And then if I open this up in a new tab, let me show you, we have downloaded this image. Really that easy and simple.